Prioritizing physical health. Prioritizing physical health means protecting your body's energy, strength, and recovery through daily choices so you live with stability, productivity, and long term well being. Now, let's see how to improve this skill through a short story. Adil noticed his body was quietly weakening from late nights, skipped meals, and long screen hours. He decided to treat his health with respect and make daily care part of his identity. Discover. Adil noticed visually dark circles, low energy posture, and rushed movements, and he noticed that his day looked disorganized because he kept skipping meals and sitting too long. He listened auditorily to his self talk, saying, I'm too busy, and he recognized that his sentence was costing him strength. He felt kinesthetically stiffness in his back, heavy breathing after small effort, and poor sleep quality, and he accepted these signs as honest messages from his body. He noticed olfactorily stale air in the room and constant food smells that triggered cravings when he was tired. He noticed gustatorily sugar cravings and dry mouth, and he understood that dehydration was fatigue and fatigue were pushing him towards quick energy involved. Adil grounded himself visually by clearing his desk area and stepping away from the screen for a moment so his mind stopped feeling crowded. He used auditorily one firm rule by saying, Health comes first, and he allowed that sentence to guide his next action. He supported himself kinesthetically by doing simple movement immediately, and he chose a steady walk and light stretching to wake up the body without pressure. He refreshed the air, signaled a reset. He supported gustatorily his body by drinking water slowly before anything else, and he chose a simple, nourishing meal without rushing. Visualize. Adil pictured visually himself moving daily, eating steadily, and sleeping on time, and he imagined his face looking healthier because recovery was consistent. He heard auditorily his inner voice saying, I take care of myself, and he treated that statement as a personal standard. He imagined kinesthetically lighter energy, calmer breath, strong posture, and fewer headaches through consistent care. He imagined olfactorily fresh air becoming part of his routine and clearing mental fatigue. He imagined gustatorily enjoying food with hydration and with calm satisfaction, without guilt and without extremes. Engage. Adil kept visually small health cues in the environment, and he made the healthy choice easier by keeping water close and keeping his space orderly. He used auditorily short reminders at specific times so he did not forget himself during busy hours. He protected kinesthetically his body by standing, stretching, and walking briefly through the day so stiffness did not build. He used olfactorily a clean, fresh scent after movement so his brain associated activity with renewal. He supported gustatorily his stability by drinking water steadily and choosing regular meals so cravings lost power.